Cloud computing means different things to different people. Cloud computing is an on-demand delivery model, a pool of abstracted, highly scalable, a style of computing where massive fifth generation of computing are common, location-independent. It's challenging getting clarity on where and how it can be practically applied to add value to your business. To us, cloud computing is about computing functionality as an on-demand service over a network. The term cloud computing originates from the use of a cloud drawing to illustrate the internet and its components and flow diagrams. Let's have a look at what cloud computing can mean for you. All the applications we use have been installed on the computer. All the storage we had access to was on servers we connected directly to, located on premises. We purchased them as products and typically had to install and maintain them ourselves. With cloud computing, the software and hardware we use no longer needs to exist locally. Providers now offer access to software and hardware from off-premises. Cloud services are everywhere. In fact, you've probably used some of them already. And cloud computing is gaining popularity. The economic climate is forcing businesses to closely examine costs and achieve better value from their information, communication, and technology spend. Cloud computing offers some compelling cost benefits, plus the ability to access the services you want for however long you need them and paying only for what you use. This gives cloud computing wide appeal to business. No longer waste infrastructure investments that are rarely used to their full potential. Lower your cost risk for trying new things out. If your innovation is successful, you can scale up quickly. If it's not, then you don't have ongoing cost. Because there are often no contracts and you pay for what you use, cloud lets you use your money effectively and change your investments responsively. Cloud solutions easily scale to grow in line with your requirements. You can add or remove resources as your clients and markets change. Easily extend your services beyond your office to wherever you do business. There are 3 different types of cloud. Public clouds sell services to anyone over the internet. Private clouds are managed and maintained by a business itself or a provider who delivers dedicated infrastructure services within a private firewall. Hybrid clouds are a mix of public cloud services and private cloud services. There are 3 broad categories of services provided by cloud computing. Combined, these 3 services are able to provide the majority of computer functionality previously provided by a traditional model of computing. Software as a service allows users to access software applications on demand. Platform as a service provides computing platform and software stacks as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides virtual servers and on-demand data storage. Users can select from one or more of these service layers to meet their needs. Most businesses don't just transition straight from traditional computing into the cloud. Here's an example of a typical cloud transition. The traditional in-house IT environment allows for high levels of control and customization of IT resources. But duplication and inefficient allocation of IT resources can make it costly to run. Virtualization offers a more efficient use of server resource. It can reduce your server investment and free up physical space on site. Now, by outsourcing your data requirements, you have the benefit of their expertise and you can cost-effectively leverage their access to the latest technology and best practice methods in data management. Where it makes sense to, you can put some of your IT resources into the cloud and access them when you want, only paying for what you use and scaling your use as you need to. Here are 6 practical examples of how businesses are using cloud services today. Lease infrastructure to build web services that enable faster go-to-market initiatives. Rent storage space for a CRM system in a data center connected to a nationwide network, enabling your staff to access it securely from anywhere. Move all your desktops into a cloud desktop environment so you can reduce costs on licensing, deployment, and maintenance services. Ensure quality customer service by enabling staff to dynamically manage their communication and collaboration tools anywhere, anytime. Cost effectively and securely back up critical data off-site. Businesses that have seasonal fluctuations in workload can take advantage of the scalability of cloud services and increase their resource use during peak times and then scale back down as required.